There's a story in an ancient play about birds called The Bird, and it's a short story from before the world began, from a time when there was no earth and no land, only air and birds and billions and billions of birds. There was no place to land, because there was no land. So they circled around and around, and because this was before the world began. There was no place to put the body, because there was no earth. Finally, the lark had a solution. She decided to bury her father in the back of her own head, because before this, no one could remember a thing. They were just constantly flying in circles, constantly flying in huge circles. And this was the beginning of memory.